After replacing a battery in modern Volvo vehicles, it is important to perform the battery reset adaptation to clear learned values from the previous battery. This will allow the charging strategy of the vehicle to reset to a new, fresh battery. Today, we will be working with our iScan SF and a 2018 Volvo XC40. This is the latest generation of Volvo vehicles that communicate on a diagnostics over internet protocol, also known as DOIP, and the iScan SF Volvo enhanced software communicates on this protocol effortlessly. Launch diagnostics. Tap European. Tap Volvo. Tap Service Function. Tap Models from 1997. Tap XC40 Series. Tap Models from 2018. Tap Automatic Read Model Year. Confirm the correct vehicle is displayed. Tap Quick Service. Tap CEM Central Electronics Module. Battery reset to zero service. Tap to continue. A warning message will appear. Press Enter to continue. Press Enter to begin procedure. Always check and clear any fault codes when complete.